Guys, I know it's not going to take much explanation here. This is just a power bank. But wait, it does so much more than just a power bank, or at least it gives you a lot more information and has a couple unique features. So if you're in the market for a new power bank, let me introduce this to you, because this has been quickly and easily my next go-to power bank. Not only is it going to charge your laptops, your phones, your MacBooks, or everything, but while you're charging, you can actually slap your phone right here and watch something while you're charging. It's not like a genius move, but what you can do here is when you're traveling, you don't need a cord because it comes with one. And then you can stick this in right here. And I want to show you guys that this gives you super fast charging. You see that? That's going to charge my phone really quickly. In fact, 25 minutes till full. Now, if I have my phone on, I'm charging. So let's say I'm at the airport just waiting. I can watch my favorite YouTube channel right there. And you don't even need to bring a cable because this has a cable already. But let's say that you are with somebody like your significant other, and that person also wants to charge. So you can get multiple charges going at the same time. So this one actually is going to give you not super fast right there, but it's going to give you regular charging speeds. So we got super fast through this cable, regular charging speeds for that one, but you are charging. Now, if you wanted to have super fast charging, you would just go USB-C. So this USB right here is just normal charging. I could get super fast here and super fast off this cable at the same time with this little device. But wait, there is more. And this is pretty cool. This is just retracts just like that. On the flip side, check that out. You have a display screen. So this display screen right here will tell you how much usage or how much watts are going through each one of these ports. So we plug this guy in, and I'm going to plug him into my phone. You see that pop up right there? That's charging at 6.5 watts with about 96% power. And so I know how much battery life that I have left. And that's going to give me 9 hours of battery life left at this charge. Now, obviously, my phone's going to be charged way before this ever runs out of charge. So you're going to get multiple phone charges, multiple laptop charges before this thing runs out. That's pretty cool that it gives you that display screen. Now, if you press it again, you're going to get different numbers. Okay, so this gives you a historical overview of the battery that's in here. You can come in here and see how many cycles that you've had. You can also see the temperature on here if it's getting hot or whatever. So that's pretty cool. It just gives you a pretty much health screen on here. So you have 2 cycles, 3 cycles right here. And if you want to turn the display off, I have it set to about 30 seconds. But if you press and hold, it'll slide it down to never, but I do like it to be about 30 seconds that it turns off. And again, you can press and hold on here as well to change your settings. This is so much more than just a power bank. So if you're just playing with regular old power banks right here, boring, and you're looking to upgrade your power bank so that it has enough power, this is going to do up to 130 watts of power and have a phone stand so you can watch something. They pretty much thought of everything for this is your next travel companion.